thank you guys for joining. So it's a 3-part series. Today's our first session. So today we're going to be making our classic edible cookie dough. So do you have we'll start with birthday bash cookie dough. So do you have your 6 ounces of butter? You can give me a thumbs up. Andy, good. The last thing for birthday bash is going to be what? Anyone know what we're missing? The magical ingredient? Yeah, Mara? Yes! The sprinkles. So you're just going to turn that mixer on and just let it whip the butter for like 3 minutes until it's super creamy.
It kind of looks like cookie dough.
Getting there, huh? I think there's one ingredient that's missing.
So wait, do we just use all the sprinkles or just 1/4? Or is this exactly 1/4?
It should be 1/4.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my birthday bash.
I think it's very, very good. And yeah.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, we gotta try it, Mason.
I like it.
You do, you like it?
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you guys. It was so great to meet you.